Morning. 6:50 a.m.
This is our hotel, our beautiful hotel.
Our ling 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 ling.
Pero sino ikot natin?
Naka-t-shirt lang ah.
Mamaya magre-reklamo yan.
Remake Miko ah. Remake.
Kinulasan pa.
Nakahubad pa.
Kinulasan pa yung Ay, dalawa sila. Ay, matanda. Ay, mabadyan. Kami pagka dun ka nag-asita. Banda kami to sa
Saan? Saan? Asan? Ah.
Ano mo lang sila na masaya ka?
Ano kaya yan?
Kitang-kita pala guys. Nagsisiro ko. Anong Pilipinas?
Ay.
I want some.
Dami ko.
Ata may itlog mo, Josh. Wow. Anong katagal mo hinintay yan?
5 minutes. Malasado na nga nangyari. Ilang itlog mo lang asin?
Ilan, Miko?
8.
Oh, may tagahugas sa atin.
Napapatingin na lang. Ruby Thailand. Ruby Thailand. Dahil sa akin, alam ko na. Alam ko na yung gano'n na style.
Kaya di ba, nung lumapit tayo, sabi ko, Thai Jade, lalapinin natin.
Sujin Park, finish, hurry, I go to the bus. Then hurry, go to the immigration. And because the immigration, we'll pass immigration one by one, right? We spend time, right? After the pass immigration, that's your Macau. But the Macau, we will have the Macau bar. Look at Bila. So I promise never play gambling in Macau lah. Because Macau, everything very mahal. Yes, everything, because the living be 1 hour, 2 hour to go around. Yeah. Macau have another guy. We're different.
Uy!
Kasi dito sa suhay sa sunset, parang wala. Hindi naman winter eh. Winter tayo.
Yeah, picture mo na lang ako.
Tama ba tayo?
Wala naman sinabi.
Pang tinola raw.
Oh, itong isa naka-steady lang. Parang buntis.
Eh, ang kulit no.
Ay, Pokemon.
Pokemon.
This is bridge from the immigration, right? To left hand side can go to the Hong Kong directly. Hong Kong directly. Right. But the right hand side to Macau is close, not far. After pass immigration, only a few minutes we can go to Macau. But Hong Kong cross the bridge 35 or 40 minutes. But Typhoon cannot. Typhoon cannot.
Macau hand over back in December 20, 1999. So last year we just supplied to Taiwan. Yeah, we have many flights between Taipei and Macau, and also several Macau. That's Stanley Hall, former Hong Kong Tyco. They start to run casinos in Macau in 1961, but they lost 40 years of monopoly in 2001. So in 2002, our government issued 5 more licenses to other employers. So when you, do we have anyone here don't eat pork? How many? Yeah, you can choose for pork or beef. How many of you prefer beef?
Asian Games every 2 years lang na.
By the way, later if you want to buy the cold.
Yung papakain namin sa amin, ano lang, kawawa naman mga turistang Pinoy.
Bento only.
Mga turistang Pinoy, kawawa na naman.
Oo, yun tayo kawawa. Hindi lang tayo bukit. Fake news.
Update, hindi po tayo doon kakaya.
Hindi pala vaccine.
Taas na naman ang bandera ng Pinoy. Uy, yung ice cream na ano. Yung ano.
Sige. Explain. Explain.
Yung ano.
85.
85 ba? Oh, grabe man. Wow, Tesla.
Popmark.
Candy, ah.
Mga mahilig sa labubu.
Dalulul.
Minority group, and Portuguese declared Macau into their territory in 1846. 1974, a minor revolution changed the government, and then new government decided to release all the overseas colony. There were 7 overseas colonies in Asia too. One is East Timor. The first place, Portugal Macau, later shortened to Macau, from Amagao to Macau. So our bus will be here. Then we go east.
baba lang eh. Wow!
Yeah, Chinese PLA man. Before 1975, Parisia. These are three all under Venetian group and interconnected. And you see the bridge ahead, yeah, from Four Seasons shopping mall. Oh, this one right inside, a stone sculpture for dragons, and then followed by the dragon should be snake. Yeah, now this year, 2025, year of snake here, right inside. After snake, there's a horse. Yeah. And then goat. After goat, monkey, rooster, dog, pig. Pig, last one. Rat is the first one. But as I told you, this row complete in the year 2000. That's the year of dragon. So we'll put the dragon first one. And after pig, that's rat.
Kaya ako hindi ko nakuha yung bagay.
Anong oras kayo nakarating sa Naiya na?
Ha? 4:30.
Ang 4:30.
Ba't kayo?
Kasi, ano,
Nasa norte ba yun o south?
North. Kaya din maaga kami.
What happened? May ano nga rainbow.
Wow!
Wow, my rainbow!
Everything will get better.
It's from Buddhism. So her statue stay on the lotus flower. We call her Kunyam in Cantonese. In Mandarin, Guan Yin, yeah, Guan Yin, goddess of mercy.
Hindi. Dapat pumunta tayo sa baba para
Saluhan natin dito. Sorry, flight. Di ba, pahinga? 15 years. Diba?
2010 nandito kami.
Anak ko tayo sa hagdanan dati.
Yun na ba ba? Oh, yun! Uy! Nike ba? Nike? Bigyan mo na gano'n ako. Sa likod ko.
Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng quality.
Wait lang. Letat gano'n, mga gano'n.
Oo, blasphemy na yan. Blasphemy na yan. Sama na yan.
Circus.
Ano yung video ba yan?
Uy! Uy!
Sabi ako. Nike. Meron, pero hindi sa Guangdong.
I-expect silang bumili ako.
No, not spicy.
So spicy.
No. Original.
Sir, saan ka na po, sir? Ay. Ay. Ay, yes, sir. Saan na po kayo, sir? Ay. Wala narinig. Sir, saan na kayo, sir?
We don't speak Tagalog.
Ah, no,
Only
Tagalog.
Chinese.
Okay. Ni Chinese, ma.
Macau. Oo, mangang. Kunin nyo.
Wow.
Mamaya na ako. Mangang boy. Mangang. Kalke. Ganda yun.
Manghang pero kain na kain na.
Sarap. Litid yan, litid.
Ito yung masarap oh, yung yun oh. May laman yung loob pag madudurog. Yung dalawang yun. Dilog? Hindi, totoo, yung dalawa.
Litid yan, litid.
Ako peng ako bola-bola.
Pag kinain mo yan, okay, bago. Magkaano yan.
Bola-bola lang.
Parang may laman niya sa loob na madudurog siya.
Nako.
Pwede yata dyan, may daan doon.
Ano yan?
Video ka pa ha, papantay pa mo pa ako.
Ano meron dyan?
Yung bus.
Ay, hindi na ako.
Eh, yung bus din.
Ay, yung bus nandyan?
Ah, dyan.
Ayoko bumaba. Andyan pa yung bus.
Baka palagi sinasabi ni Charlie, oy, palagi mo i-remind niya siya.
Alam nila yan.
Anong basa dito, Mr. Shan?
Hindi, nandito po yung sasakyan nakapark. Nakapako.
Ay.
Oh, pakanan na. Paganan muna. Kabila.
Liliko na sa Legarda, liliko sa Legarda.
Hawak.
Sige na, Five Guys na tayo.
Harap mo.
Yan, harap taas.
Tangina, ang laki.